Yeah. Yeah, no.
What is that?
Happy Valentine's, BB.
Huh?
Get your Valentines.
Wow.
Mm.
What is that?
Mm.
Oh, that's pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Where'd you get it?
Pretty.
What's in here?
Oh, come on.
I have to go out?
Get it. Yep. I'll fix you some coffee.
Okay, fix me coffee. Latte, please. Wow, what is this?
Valentine's.
Oh, what's this? Happy
Yes.
Valentine's.
They were out of the heart things. Can you believe that?
Oh. Sea salt caramel! I like this. Oh. Of course, his favorite is there. That's his favorite. Cheesecake. Yummers. This is his favorite. Oh. Oh, it's orange. Ah, it's so pretty. Ah, it's so pretty. Thank you. Happy Valentine's. This is actually our first Valentine's together. Is this my gift?
Yep.
Oh,
Isn't this neat?
wow. Hang
The
on.
thing that came up to say that. That's cool.
Yeah. Where'd you got it?
Just look at Walmart.
Oh, Walmart. Okay. Ooh. That's neat. Okay, let's open.
Okay. Open your card first.
Should I open the card first?
Mm-hmm.
Your
Mm-hmm.
fingers is on the camera thing.
Mm-hmm.
Ay, this is nice. It
No,
almost looks
pretty.
like the
Pretty, isn't it?
first card that you gave me.
No.
My friend, my partner,
Mm-hmm.
my beautiful wife, my
That's
heart,
right.
my rock, the love of my life.
That's right. You tell him, baby.
Wow. I wouldn't be the man I am today without your love, support, and friendship. I'm so proud to have you by my side. Thank you for loving me and for making it so easy to keep falling more and more in love with you. Happy Valentine's Day.
No, that's a good
Love
one.
you, baby.
That's a good
Cheers.
one.
I don't want to tear out.
That's right.
I don't want to cry.
Don't cry.
I love this.
That's
I
right.
don't want to
Okay.
cry.
Okay.
Okay. Let's open these.
Mm. Get the scissors. Checking out everything. Mm-hmm. Touch yourself. Oh my gosh, she's surprised. Ooh, she's surprised.
Oh, 64 gigabytes. Oh, I got a GoPro. What's this? Hero Black 12.
You got the hero set. Open it up.
Is it a Hero Black 12? I got a 50-in-1 accessories kit. Oh.
It's the hero thing.
Is it really?
Yeah. Yeah, no. Nice. Ooh. Nice. Boom, boom. Yeah, nice. That's awesome. All the hard work you've been doing.
Oh,
Been doing all the hard work.
I got a hero black
That's right, baby.
I thank you.
I'm your hero.
I'm a
Open up all your
girl now.
accessories there.
I got a girl too now. Yeah.
Check out the.
Thank you.
You've been working so hard on your channel, so figure you need this.
Got a 50 accessories.
Whoa,
for
my gosh, look at all
action
that.
Camera.
Look at all that. You can wear it, so now you don't have to hold your phone when you're fishing.
Yeah. You can clip it.
No, you got all kinds of stuff.
Oh, I can clip it in the car now.
Yeah, you can put it on your head, you can put it around your body. I don't know, there's all kinds of stuff in there.
Oh, that's so cool. Thank you, bag.
Love you.
Love you. Oh, this is for the water.
And it's waterproof
Yeah.
camera, so you can go underwater with it.
Thank you
Nice.
so much.
Yeah,
And my flower.
that's
So
right.
pretty and orange.
That's right,
Oh,
baby.
it's so nice. Look at you. You're so sneaky, huh?
No.
Hello, good morning everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Valentine's Day. Today is February 14, 2024. It's already 8:21 na po ng umaga. Kanina pa kami gising. Maagang umalis si husband, fiancé. Maagang umalis si husband, very sneaky. May pa-surprise pala siya. Bumili siya ng flowers. There's my flower. Then, I got some chocolates. Ito na lang nabili niya kasi wala na yung heart shape. Yung Russell Stover na gusto ko. To my parents, it's gonna be late when they see this. Sa lahat po, sa family ko dyan sa Pilipinas, it's gonna be late when you see this. I actually greet you yesterday, but anyhow, to my mom and dad, Papa Rudy and Mama Joy, happy Valentine's Day. To my sister Judy, happy Valentine's Day. Peter and Leia, happy Valentine's Day. Ziana and Z, happy Valentine's Day. Ziana, asa na akong french fries? Ipadala na kay Kuya Driver. Donna and Joseph, happy Valentine's Day as well. Mga #1 fan din na ako sila. And to my sister, Arthur and Jared, happy Valentine's Day. CJ, Ate Bea and AJ, happy Valentine's Day. Vincent and Joy and the kids, Ashley, Andre and Sam, and Gab, yes, happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody, and enjoy your day. Huh? So, hi guys. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're on the road. We are going to Grand Marlin. We're going to have dinner there. Valentine's dinner date. It's actually 3:57. Tinry ni husband na ang init guys. Tinry ni husband na mag-reserve, but they don't take reservations. So, we're going there early. Kasi, actually punuan sila always. And then, it's a nice restaurant. Yeah. I like it there. We had dinner there on our when we got married. Yeah, our first dinner as married couple. So we are coming back again. We are on a blue team today. I love it. I love it. Look at my very handsome husband. Hello, baby. See? Blue na blue. Minatch niya sa blue. Pinakita ko sa
back, but right now, it's getting bad. Not so bad, but there's already a lot of cars. So, update ko kayo guys. Date muna kami. Love it, blue team. Happy Valentines, everybody. Yeah.
See?